In this video, you'll learn how to create an authentication system using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will set up a production-style JDouble authentication system with Express, which includes user registration, login functionality, and protected routes. Begin by opening PowerShell on your computer. Once PowerShell is open, create a new directory for your project by typing media realauth AP and then press enter. Next, navigate into this directory by typing cd realauth AP and pressing enter again. Now, initialize a new node.js project by running npm init-y. This command will create a quote package.json quote file with default settings, which is essential for managing your project's dependencies. Next, you need to install the necessary authentication dependencies, type npm, install express bcrypts JSON web token.sam, and press enter. This command installs Express, which is a web framework for Node.js, bcrypt.js for password hashing, JSON web token for creating JSON web tokens, and .no for managing environment variables. Note that bcrypt.js is preferred in tutorials because it typically has fewer installation issues than bcrypt. Now, it is time to start the Claude and press enter. After a brief moment, you will see the Claude prompt appear on your screen, indicating that the CLI is ready for your input. At this point, you will paste a realistic blueprint for the authentication system. This blueprint outlines the structure and requirements for your application. They includes directories and files such as quote srserver.js, quote srservers/app.js, and others related to authentication. After reviewing the blueprint, press enter to let Claude generate the necessary files and code for your project. Once the generation is complete, type exit to close the Claude CLI. Next, you need to create adven file to store your environment variables. Enter the command echo JDouble sign supersecret =, supersecret key, DM in PowerShell, and hit enter. This command creates a new file named quote.envin quote and sets a secret key for your JWT, which is crucial for the token generation process. Now, you are ready to run your server. Type npm start and press enter. If Claude added the start script correctly, your server should start running. If you encounter any issues, you can manually start the server by typing node src/server.js. Once the server is running, it will listen for incoming requests on port 3000. To test the authentication system, use the command line to register a new user. Enter curl-x post http:/localhost $3,000 localhost $3,000 content type application /JSON postword 123456 and press enter. This command sends a post request to the registration endpoint with a sample username and password. Next, log in with the same credentials by typing curl-x post http://localhost 3000 day for logins -h content type application /JSON -d power logins John password 123456. To access the protected route, use the command curl http://localhost 3008 authorize h authorization bearer your underscore token, replacing your underscore token with a token. If the request returns user data, your authentication system is functioning correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.